me all a day. Make I tell you something now, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to make this beautiful wig and lay my lace closure. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make this wig. It just took me like literally 30 minutes to make this wig. It's so easy because you guys know I love using glue gun. And no, there's nothing wrong with using glue gun. I have wigs I made 3 years ago that I still have, and I made them with glue gun, and there's nothing wrong with them. So the hair I used for this video is from Annabelle. I'm gonna put all the specs and the links in the description box below. So now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so this is the dump cap I'll be using to make this wig. So the hair I'll be using came in through DHL, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I have the closure right here, and I ended up using 3 bundles to achieve this wig. And I noticed that the bundles are very thick, like it's so full. That's why I was able to use 3. Normally I use 4 bundles and a closure, but I'm able to use 3 bundles and a closure because each bundle is very thick. So right here I'm just gonna start by sewing down my lace closure. She go call you mommy and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh I fell and saw, hey, show my baby lord, let me be your man tonight, and I just wanna be the one. What is in the jump? Now I'm done sewing down my lace closure. I'm gonna start making the wig. As you guys can see, I'm using a glue gun, so I'm gonna apply the glue. And then when I place the weave, I apply pressure to make sure that it's intact. And at this point, I'm just folding over. I'm not cutting the weft of the weave. So this is one bundle. I'm done with one bundle. I'm going to start with the second bundle right here. Join together. Let no man put us under. Hey. Baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh. So right here I'm done with the second bundle. I'm going to go ahead and start with the third and the last bundle. At this point, I started cutting the weft. It's totally optional. You don't have to cut the weft. You can still fold over right here. But I just wanted the wig to be very flat. So right here I'm done with making the wig. You guys can see how the hair looks like. It's so smooth, sleek and beautiful. Right here I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So this is what it looks like. Then now I'm going to cut out the part of the dome cap that is around the lace area. And then I'm going to apply my foundation on it. So now I decided to place it on my head and just make the middle part because I want to be able to gauge it properly. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the dome cap, and I'm going to tweeze out that same middle part. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my concealer on the part to make it appear more natural. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my heat protectant because I'm gonna be straightening the hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start straightening the hair.
Let me be your man tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like. Money, go power, let go, Joe. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go power, let go.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig, and then I'm gonna go ahead and create my baby hair. This is totally optional, and then I'll lay it with gel. So right here I'm just using this hot comb to comb the hair down to slick it more. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon.
Baby, I just want you.